Just like the wide-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just like the wide-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. And the days go by like a strand in the wind, in the web that is my own. I begin again. Said to my friend, baby, nothing else mattered. He was no more than a baby then. Well, he seemed broken-hearted, something within him. But the moment that I first lay eyes on you, I'm all alone on the edge of 17. Just like the wide-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, ooh. Just like the wide-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Said ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. Well, I went today, maybe I will go again tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, well, the music there, well, it was hauntingly familiar. Well, I see you doing what I tried to do for me with the words from a poet and a voice from a fire and a melody, and nothing else mattered. Just like the wide-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. Just like the wide-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Said ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. The clouds never expected when it rains, but the sea changes color, but the sea does not change. So with the slow, graceful blow of age, I went forth with an angel desire to please on the edge of 17. Just like the wide-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. Just like the wide-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. Well, then suddenly there was no one left standing in the hall. Yeah, yeah, with a flood of tears that no one really ever heard for at all. When I went searching for an answer, I was staring down the hall, and not to find an answer, just to hear the call of a night bird singing, come away, come away, come away. Just like the wide-winged dove